G'day folks, in today's video we're going to be doing a noise comparison test of the original Mavic Mini compared to the new DJI Mini 2. We're going to be using a basic decibel meter just to get an idea of the sound. Now I am aware that this is not a true scientific test. There's a lot of different variables that can affect the outcome. For example, in between the tests the wind could pick up a little bit and that could make one of the drones a little bit louder. But it is a good enough test to see what they sound like against one another. So let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So I have had quite a few people ask me to do a noise comparison test of the original Mavic Mini against the new DJI Mini 2. The original Mavic Mini is actually fairly quiet. There's no complaint on my end anyways. I don't think it's overly loud by any stretch of the imagination. Now with that said, when I did power on the new DJI Mini 2 for the very first time, put it up in the air, I did notice right away that it was quite a bit quieter. It's not so much that it was quieter, but the pitch sound of it was quite a bit lower. And it's the pitch sound that can kind of make a drone sound a little more irritating and a little bit louder than what it is. A nice quiet drone can be a real benefit nowadays if you're going to be flying in urban areas, especially in something like a park where there's other people enjoying the space. You don't want to be interrupting their time by having noisy drones zipping by. On top of that, many people already have a very negative outlook on drones, so by having a nice quiet drone, you're not going to draw too much attention to yourself. In fact, most people won't even know you're flying a drone. Now for this test, I am just going to be using a very basic decibel meter, and as mentioned at the beginning of this video, this is not a very scientific test, but it's a good idea to get a baseline of what the two drones sound like. So with that said, let's just get right into things. We're going to start with the new DJI Mini 2, and then we'll go over to the original Mavic Mini. Now just for a bit of a clarification here, throughout the video I talked about going up to 15 meters to do another sound reading. The maximum I went up to was 10 meters. Anything over that you would hardly hear either of the drones because they are both fairly quiet. So we do a reading at about 3 feet I think it was, and then we do another one at 10 meters. So let's take a look at those results now. So I've got the drone hovering and it's about 3 feet in front of me, and let's see what the decibel meter says. Floating around between 63 and 64. Of course, whenever you get a little bit of a wind gust, the motors wind up and it gets a little bit louder, but yeah, 63, 64. So I'm going to now put the drone up at 15 meters, or I should say 10 meters, because that's plenty high enough. If we go any higher than that, we're not going to even hear anything at all. So let's go ahead and we'll do that now. So I've got the drone up at 10 meters. Let's check the decibel level. And you'll see here in a minute, it's actually about a decibel less than the original Mavic Mini. We got 50 to 49, it's kind of bouncing around. So let's just put it down and then we'll get the original Mavic Mini up and we'll test it out. So I've got the original Mavic Mini here now and it's hovering. And just I can hear it's already a little bit louder. It's a little bit higher of a pitch. So let's go ahead and we'll test the decibel level here. You can see that it's floating around 70. So you can see there is quite an audible difference. It's much higher pitched. So now let's just put it up to about 15 meters and we'll see what it sounds like. So let's just see what it sounds like. We're going to point it straight up. Kind of floating around between 50 and 54. Goes up to the higher end of 54 when there's a wind gust, and when the wind dies down it's at 50. Okay, good enough. Let's bring it down. So as you can see, there was a significant difference in the volume, the decibel volume of the new DJI Mini 2. It is fairly noticeably quieter even without using a decibel meter. Now I'm going to play a couple of those clips here back to front so you can actually see the difference when we go from one to the other. It's really nice that DJI is getting these drones quieter and quieter. Well folks, that's it for my video. Thanks a lot for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.